Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Xeno Vegeta from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. And if you saw my last video, you should know that Xeno Goku and Xeno Vegeta are versions of them from an alternate timeline where all the other timelines are in danger, and they must work together to stop this evil foe to stop Fu and Maji Kabara from wanting to create his own universe. So sit back, relax, and watch me draw this guy. So there we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay, known fact about Vegeta Xeno, he has these tubes sticking out of his neck. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Okay, so there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. That is how you draw Xeno Vegeta. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? So I got these tubes ready, and that's all. That's how you draw him. So what's your favorite character from Dragon Ball Fighters? And who else do you think I should draw next? Anyways, that's all the time. So if you guys have any comments on what other characters, I'll show you guys how to draw from Japanese to regular cartoons. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. Bye.